My name is Deborah Rodriguez-Garcia, and I'm an education manager for Sesame Workshop. I've always known that I wanted to be within the education sector. I did not know that I was going to end up within the educational media sector. I have the opportunity to extend opportunities for learning to children that are often underserved, to create content that is educational and very entertaining is something that I really appreciate. Being willing to try something new, try something different is really important because there's so many skills that you can gain from those experiences that you wouldn't gain if you stayed within this narrow scope of what you consider your career, your profession to be. I had no idea that education could be so broad. I thought education was just teachers in a classroom.